technology always promises speed. 3D printing, drones, robotics, AI planning tools. Every year construction gets new technology. And every year people say the same thing. This will finally make building fast. It sounds reasonable. In most industries, technology increases productivity. Factories became faster with automation. Offices became faster with software. Logistics became faster with tracking systems. So it feels natural to expect the same in construction. But construction is different. Technology improves tasks. It does not automatically improve systems. A drone can scan a site in minutes, but if the design is wrong, the project is still delayed. A robot can place bricks faster than a human, but if materials arrive late, speed doesn't matter. 3D printers can build walls quickly, but they still depend on permits, inspections, and planning. Technology accelerates parts of the process. Construction is slowed down by connections between parts, and those connections are usually human. Design teams, suppliers, engineers, inspectors, contractors. Construction is a network of decisions. Technology cannot fix poor coordination. It cannot fix unclear drawings, it cannot fix late approvals, it cannot fix misaligned schedules. In fact, sometimes new technology makes things slower. New systems require training. New tools require adjustment. New software requires integration. And during that transition, productivity drops. Technology creates potential speed. But potential is not the same as reality. Real speed in construction does not come from tools. It comes from structure, sequence, timing, capacity. Sequence means work happens in the right order. Timing means resources arrive when they are needed. Capacity means the site operates within its limits. When these three align, even simple tools work well. When they don't align, even advanced technology struggles. Technology is powerful, but without a system, it does not make construction fast.